This is Joseph Drust, and welcome back to another episode of Ask ZBrush. So we had a question sent in asking, is there a way to know what material is applied to a subtool? So to start off, I just have ZBrush loaded up, and I just have the demo soldier model here loaded in. And with the demo soldier, I've gone through on each one of his subtools and I've applied a different material. So the question is asking about how to find out what material is applied to an area on your model. So let's say you really liked the boot material that's applied here, and now you want to come through and you want to apply it to the shirt. Well, if I come over here to the material palette, you can see there's a lot of these materials that may look the same, so I may not choose the right one before I apply it. So is there a way I can come through on the model and figure out what material is applied to what area? So to do this, you just need to come over here to the material area and simply click and drag. Now, while you still have the pen down or your mouse down, as you hover over any part of your model with a material, it will end up showing you which material is applied. So if I hover over the boots, you'll see it's going to give me that material there. If I hover over the kneecap, his main body here, his belt, his shirt, and then after you're hovering over the material, if you release, that material will now be selected. So now I can clearly see that the boots had the matte cap light brown material. And so now I can come over and select the vest, make sure I have the material option turned on at the top, and then go color, fill object. And I have now filled the vest with the same material that were on the boots. So to quickly recap, to find out what material is on any part of a model, just come over here to the material area, click and drag, and then just go across the area with the material. And then after you release, this will now select that material. So you can see the shoulder pad here has the green metallic texture applied. And then you go to another part of your model. And then now with that material selected, you can go color, fill object, and that will now fill the object with that material. So if you have any other questions related to ZBrush pipelines or processes, please use the hashtag AskZBrush on Twitter. Happy ZBrushing!